Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Codism with Farhana. So today I'm going to show you how to use Python and how to write Python in Visual Studio Code and how to set the environment. So let's go to the video. So first, if we see this is our Visual Studio and how to install Visual Studio Code, so you can get enough video in YouTube channel. Okay, so just check there. And okay, first this extension, we have to install a lot of extension, but first of all Python, just click here. I have also installed it before, and we have to open a folder. And so I have already practiced a lot of work, and if you are new, so just make a folder here, and give a name and just set it from here. Open new folder from there. Okay, so though I have it present, just note that. And okay, so I just open a file, just want to open it. This is short. Okay, so we have to check it is running or not. It will give me some error because I need to set up Python interpreter. Okay, but here is no Python interpreter, that's why it will give me some error. But if suppose we write name, okay, number, then equal 10 12, and you see this is not looking so much good. But if you will give space, it much better. See here, this is look like very much messy, but it looks better. So for this, okay, save it. For this we have to need formatting. Okay, so we need AutoPay 8, just install it. It is installed. Okay, so now what we should give, we have to go file option, and here preference, and go to setting, format on save. Here you can see format a file on save. A formatter must be available. The file must not be saved after delay. Okay, so just click here. Okay, so guys, you can see here, this is not a formatting way. So just press Ctrl S. Now you can see this is our formatting mode. So after that, and here is a problem. So guys, if your autosave button is selected, so then it will not work automatically. You have to press Ctrl S. Okay, and another thing is, I will show you again number, another writing, Ctrl S. Okay, so it is already set, but I'll show you another thing. Suppose product equal, so this is already saved because it is selected auto save, but our this part is not formatting mode. So just Ctrl S, now it is formatted. Okay, so that's the difference. And another thing is, suppose you have write it here a big line, suppose W3 Python, suppose, just I will show you. Okay, here just paste it and nothing will be happened. Okay, but when you press Ctrl S, see, automatically it will shift it up, because when I wrote here, it is not a formatting mode, so it is giving you the formatting mode. Okay, another thing, if I suppose I write a short title, so save it here. Look, it is saved because it's a okay. We can easily understand it, but this is a big line. It will not show a good way here. Okay, that's why it will go up. Okay, so there's the difference. It is automatically formatted, but you have to press Ctrl S when you are auto save mode. Okay, when your Visual Studio Code editor is auto save mode, that time you have to press Ctrl S for formatting. Otherwise it will not formatting, but result will show. Okay, that's the difference. So I hope that you can understand it. If we want to check that where is our problem, and it will show with this, so we need a linter. Okay, so which linter is preferable for us? Pilint, which is a Microsoft product. This is Microsoft product, so just install it. Okay, it's done. And guys, if you want to change it for autosave, if you want autosave, because all time Control S is boring to use, so that if you want to use auto save option, so that you have to go file and preference and setting, and then write auto save, and here you have to give after delay. That means and now you have to give how much time delay you want to take, and how much time after it will be saved. Okay, so here 1000 means 1 second, so if you want, you will give half second, that means 500. Okay, so now if you want to check, so this number 12, see, it is saved automatically. Okay, so this is our process, and here you can see the run option. Here it will give you error because we have no valid interpreter. Okay, so it will we will take it after some time. Okay, guys, and if you want to change the this icon, extension icon, so that you need material icon. First, this material icon theme, just install it. So now you can see this icon is already changed. Okay, so it looks better. Okay, so that is our today's part, and next video I will show you how to set the select interpreter. Okay, so till then, Allah Hafiz, assalamu alaikum.